Did you lose your hand in an unfortunate bear trap incident? Here at J.G. Wentworth, we care about your loss, and we'd like to help you get your hand back. Come alone to the old grain mill off 2nd Street. Crawl into one of these 2 holes. It's not a furnace, and you won't be burned. Your hand will be waiting for you inside this giant, completely harmless metal container at the very end of the hole. Just keep crawling in as far as you can into the darkness until your entire body is inside. The wind might blow the door closed behind you. Don't worry about it. No tricks. Just your hand in a plastic bag. Because that's what you deserve. J.G. Wentworth. No tricks.